Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to add more effects and more overlays in Filmora. So the first step is to add your videos on your timeline, and let's say you want to add more effects. So you're gonna do this adding adjustment layers. So in order to add adjustment layers, you'll have to go to media, then you'll have to go to adjustment layer, and then here you can simply click on the plus button, and as you can see we have an adjustment layer. And what you'll have to do is simply add your effects to this adjustment layer. So as you can see, you'll have to simply drag and drop it over the adjustment layer, and you can make it longer or shorter if you want. And what you can do, you can add as many adjustment layers as you want. So as you can see, I can stack them one over another like this. As you can see, I can add as many I want, and I can add different effects to each one of them. So this is the only way to do this, and I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.